Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. A total of 103 nesting sites of crocodiles have been spotted this year in Odisha's Bhitarkanika National Park. As per the latest census of the reptiles, the number of saltwater crocodiles, the species which are not found in any other river system in the state, stood at 1757 in Bhitarkanika. With COVID-19 crisis creating uncertainty everywhere, the Odisha government on Tuesday said the unprecedented situation must be used as an opportunity to adopt innovative methods and reassess priorities to revive the sports ecosystem. This was stated by Odisha's Sport and Youth Service Minister. Odisha government on Wednesday announced to engage around 7,000 temporary health workers at COVID care homes covering 6,798 gram panchayats of the state. The ANMs will be paid rupees 850 per day while staff nurses and pharmacists will be paid rupees 1,000 per day. The engagement is purely temporary for a period of 3 months or till the COVID care homes are functional, whichever is earlier, keeping in view the emergency situation rising due to COVID-19. For the first time, 2 actors from Odisha will play lead roles in a Bollywood movie. After Ankita Maharana, another model turned actor, Rock Kachchi, will be seen in lead role opposite of Apsara Rani in Ram Gopal Verma's upcoming project Thriller. This year, girls have outperformed boys with a pass percentage of 93.31, while the pass percentage of boys is 90.14%. Bhubaneswar region has registered pass percentage of 93.20%. India's tiger census of 2018 has made it to the Guinness Book of World Records for being the world's largest wildlife survey that has been captured by a camera. As per the survey, the country was home to an estimated 2,967 tigers, which counted to nearly 75% of the global population. And of all the big cats, around 2,461 were photo captured. Richest Indian Mukesh Ambani on Wednesday announced his group's digital arm Jio developing a homegrown 5G telecom solution. In the next 3 years, Jio will connect 500 million mobile customers, 1 billion smart sensors, and 50 million home and business establishments, Ambani said. 4 government schools in the district have launched a new initiative to take education at the doorsteps of the students. As per the decision, the teachers started taking classes for 2 hours in 2 to 3 areas of the village every day. The students are taught Kannada, English, science, and mathematics. If you thought that pearls could only be found in oysters in the ocean, then this farmer from Kerala is here to prove you wrong because he has successfully cultivated pearls in a pond in his backyard. 65-year-old KJ Mathachan said, "In just a year's time, I had produced almost 50 buckets of pearls that were worth up to 4.5 lakhs, giving me 3 lakhs in profit." Nagesh Kale lost both his legs to a train accident in 2013, but he is a ray of positivity in these testing times. Nagesh continues to work hard and remains optimistic about the future. He said, "I want to work hard to give my family a comfortable life. I also wish to save up money to open a driving school for the differently able someday." The Trump administration on Tuesday reversed its own rule that said international students will have to leave the country if their schools held classes entirely online because of the pandemic. The decision comes after a federal lawsuit was brought by Harvard University and the MIT against the US government. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuwakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.